Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to play Muddy Water Blues on guitar using an easy method. We'll start by understanding the fundamental E blues shuffle. This approach simplifies the classic sound, making it accessible for beginners. You'll focus on just two essential chords, allowing you to quickly grasp the core feel of the song. Get ready to make some great blues music. To play the E blues shuffle, begin by placing your index finger on the second fret of the A string. You'll be strumming the open, low E string along with that fretted A string. Focus on a steady, driving eighth note rhythm. This creates the signature chug sound. Keep your strumming hand relaxed and consistent for the best results. Next, we'll introduce the B7 chord. Form a standard B7 shape, typically starting at the second fret. The key is to transition smoothly from your E shuffle to this chord. You'll play the B7 for a brief, impactful moment before returning to the E shuffle. Practice this change slowly at first, ensuring each note rings clearly. Now, let's put it all together into a simple 12-bar blues progression. You'll alternate between the E shuffle and the B7 chord, following a basic blues structure. Maintain a steady tempo, letting the rhythm guide you. Once comfortable, try adding subtle variations to your strumming for more expression. Practice regularly, and you'll be playing the blues in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.